Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force in the field of engineering, revolutionizing traditional practices and enabling innovative solutions to complex problems. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and data-driven models, AI is enhancing the efficiency, accuracy, and creativity of engineering processes across various disciplines. In civil engineering, AI is being used to optimize infrastructure design, predict structural failures, and improve construction management. Advanced algorithms analyze vast amounts of data from sensors and simulations to ensure safer and more sustainable buildings, bridges, and roads. Similarly, in mechanical engineering, AI-driven tools are streamlining the design and manufacturing of components, reducing waste, and enabling predictive maintenance. Robotics, powered by AI, is transforming automation in industries, improving precision and productivity. Electrical and software engineering are also benefiting from AI through the development of smart systems, such as autonomous vehicles, intelligent grids, and advanced communication networks. AI algorithms optimize energy consumption, enhance signal processing, and enable real-time decision-making in complex systems. In aerospace engineering, AI is playing a pivotal role in aircraft design, flight optimization, and air traffic management, contributing to safer and more efficient air travel. Moreover, AI is fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, enabling engineers to tackle global challenges such as climate change, resource management, and urbanization. By integrating AI with engineering principles, professionals can create innovative solutions that are not only technically sound but also environmentally and socially responsible. As AI continues to evolve, its potential in engineering is boundless. However, it also raises ethical and technical challenges, such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the need for robust regulatory frameworks. Engineers must embrace AI responsibly, ensuring that its applications are transparent, equitable, and aligned with societal values. In conclusion, AI is reshaping the engineering landscape, empowering professionals to push the boundaries of innovation and address the demands of a rapidly changing world. By harnessing the power of AI, engineers can unlock new possibilities and drive progress for future generations.